Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both windows ready and making one full screen. Click and hold the green traffic light button in the top left of a window, or hover to reveal the menu. Choose Tile Window to left of screen or right side option. Doing this locks the window into a side. Once done, Mac OS shows available windows on the opposite side, so you can select the second app. Make sure both apps are responsive and not minimized before you proceed. After selecting the second window, you'll be in split view with a visible divider between apps. Click and drag that divider to adjust the space each app gets. Release when proportions suit your workflow. If you need a different app, use Mission Control, 3-finger swipe up or press Control up to swap windows on either side. Make sure apps support full screen mode. Some utility windows can't enter split view, so pick their parent app instead to continue smoothly. To finish, click the green button again or press Escape to exit split view and return to standard desktop. If split view fails, first close and reopen the troublesome app. Make sure it is a standard document or app window, not a dialog or utility. You can also toggle displays have separate spaces in System Preferences Mission Control, then log out and back in if layouts act oddly. This often resolves persistent issues and restores normal split view operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.